Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation on VIVO Y19s. Let's begin. So probably the easiest way to fix any issues that are related to screen rotation is to simply check if you have screen rotation enabled. You can easily do that by simply expanding your control center, and as you can see we have auto rotate option right here. So you want to simply make sure that you have it turned on. If you have it turned on, then it's like it has this blue outline, maybe a color. Unless you've changed somehow the theme of your phone, then the color will be different. But yeah, you want to have this enabled. However, if it's still not working, I would simply advise you to restart your phone, just like that. And the reason why I advise this is because the screen rotation option works using gyroscope. And gyroscope, just like any other system in your phone, can be restarted, and rebooting it will probably fix some issues. And lastly, while the phone is restarting, I want to talk about the fact that not every single application supports certain mode. We have portrait mode, which is the one we see right now, and we have landscape mode, which is the one like this. So, for example, many games will only support one type of the mode. Let's say Clash Royale, for example, will only work in portrait mode, while Call of Duty or Genshin Impact or all other games like these will only work in landscape mode. And I'm not sure if there is any way for you to actually change it. So yeah. Remember to check if you have this enabled. If it's still not working, reboot your device and make sure that you are using an application that supports both of the modes, both portrait mode and landscape mode. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.